All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's your last couple of problems. We've got what multiplies to be 49 and what adds to be 14. And you will notice that 49, being a square number, is 7 times 7. So this is x plus 7 squared. Or we can see that as x plus 7 times x plus 7. But we would want to write this as x plus 7 squared because it's more formal, more simple that way. Okay. And then our second one, what multiplies to be 25 and what adds to be negative 10. Noticing that 25 is a square number, I know that this is negative 5 times negative 5, which makes this x minus 5 squared. All right, we've got one more set of examples to learn. Again, if you have questions on this, make sure you get them addressed. But let's talk about finding the zeros of a quadratic function. So in our last lesson, we learned that the x-intercepts of a graph in intercept form are the p and the q, that and that, right? That's how we graph those. Because the function's value is 0 when x equals p and when x equals q, the numbers p and q are called zeros of the function. By the way, we also call these x-intercepts. Zeros, x-intercepts. This is also how we solve a quadratic function. So let's do this. Now, what I want you to notice here is we're going to use the factoring skills that we learned in the other videos. Okay, I'm going to find something that multiplies to be negative 12 and adds to be negative 1 so that I can put it in this form, x minus p, x minus q. As it turns out, that's negative 4 and positive 3. So that's y equals x minus 4 times x plus 3. Now, here's the part where it's different. We're solving these. We're looking for what makes 0. So what makes 0 here? Positive 4 and negative 3. Again, just like we did with intercept form, we're looking for what makes 0. Opposite, right? Positive 4, negative 3. And that's my solution. Those are the zeros. Those are the x-intercepts. Those are the solutions, okay? Next one, same deal. We're looking for what multiplies to be 36 and adds to be 12. And I noticed that this 36 is a perfect square, and this is 12, and so this must be 6 times 6, because so this is x plus 6 squared. So what's the value that makes 0? That would be x equals negative 6. And that's my 0. That's my x-intercept. So when it says that we're finding the zeros, we're factoring it, but then we're just doing what we did in the previous lesson to find the x-intercept, right? What makes 0? We're finding a solution now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's what I got for you in this lesson. It's a long one, lots of videos. We've got an assignment back for you on the Canvas. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.